Hi everyone, this is Amisha Kale and I am pursuing electronics engineering at Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, and recently I've completed my 4th semester. Last year, an unexpected COVID-19 crisis hit the nation and the whole world as well. Despite the overwhelming consequences of the pandemic, this global crisis has also been an extraordinary time for learning. While the doctors were continuously working to save the lives of millions of people, the teachers were leading the crisis and reimagining the future. In this crisis, the teachers of YCC have shown great leadership and innovation in ensuring that learning never stops and that no learner is left behind. They have worked individually and collectively to find solutions and create new learning environments for their students to allow education to continue. Since the past 1 year, regular online classes are being conducted smoothly according to the timetable. Though the concept of online classes was so new to everyone, the teachers made sure to make the online classes as good as the offline ones. Even though there was lack of person-to-person contact, the teachers strived hard and took immense efforts to make this virtual learning the best. The use of conceptual PPTs and Word files helped us understand the topics even better. No matter the type of channel being used, whether it's a mobile or a laptop or a computer, the teachers adapted the practices and were very creative in keeping the students engaged throughout the year. One such creative method was the conduction of quizzes. Quizzes in the form of MCQs were allotted regularly, and they were not only brief but comprised of important information regarding various topics covered in the previous classes. Another major part of the online teaching was the numerical solving process, but our teachers definitely made it easier for us by helping us understand them and by providing detailed step-by-step explanation of each numerical. One more praiseworthy innovative teaching method that the teachers used was for conducting practical lab classes. Since the situation did not permit to perform practicals physically with equipments, the teachers very innovatively used softwares such as PSpice AD, Capture, LTSpice, Logicade, and all of these altogether gave us the experience of performing practicals on the computer screen, and we also got a better understanding of the working of principles and concepts. The teachers provided us with adequate information regarding each practical and explained each segment systematically. Overall, the teachers aced in every online teaching process and helped the students stay motivated in this pandemic. Thank you.